Let's face it, devices are becoming more expensive.
And so is the upkeep and repair of those same devices. Insurance has become your cheapest option to combat the rising cost to repair or replace your devices.
Akko is a trusted phone insurance that covers your devices against theft, broken screen, and water damage. Top-rated protection plan by Gadget Review.
Our days are filled with distractions, from driving in heavy traffic to the kids running around the house while we work. Accidents happen, but they can be easily avoided when we're extra careful. We tend to lose our attention with all the hectic schedules of life, but it doesn't have to be that way. With phone insurance from Akko and a little bit of extra precaution on your part, you're covered against theft or damage to your devices.
The Phone Whisperer has partnered with Akko as an authorized agent and repair center. Call the Phone Whisperer today to get your phone or all your devices covered under one plan. Click the tab below to learn more.